Welcome back. We're picking up where we left off in our previous tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the Edge Evaluation tool. It's one of the Form Edit tools. Here it is. Let's select this curved edge. What you see here is called a curvature comb. In the Display Mode drop-down menu, we get some options for this: Comb Only, Comb Outline, and Fill. Click here to display the minimum and maximum radius, and we can increase the density and the scale of the comb as well. Let's cancel out, and let's take a look at another example. I'll activate the Edit Edge tool, select this edge here. Let's just make some modifications, place a point, and adjust about here. So I create a curve, merge edges. I'll use the Combine option and select the edges to merge. Let's try it in blend mode and select this edge. OK. And let's evaluate our edge. Now we can see the differences in the comb between our first and second curves. And this concludes our overview of the Edge Evaluation tool in Inventor Fusion.